So over here you can see that I am in the title editor, and here you can see that there are different shapes over here. So now let's say what I want to do is I want to utilize the select and arrange option over here for managing these shapes. In that case, you can go around onto the text menu right here, and here you can see that select is an option. So over here you can see that right now first object above is an option. So if I were to go around and click on this, then the object that is on the topmost layer is actually selected. You can also go around over here, and if I were to go around onto last object below, then the last object is selected, as you can see. And similarly, I can go around and then select out the next object above, which selects out this right here, or you can go around and select out the next object below. So if you want to go around and select out certain objects according to how they are set right here, like this is the topmost object and this is the backmost object, then you can utilize the select option right here. Apart from that, you got the arrange. So what you can do is this is the backmost object which is selected. You can go around and bring it forward. So it brings it one step forward, as you can see right here. Or you can go around over here and click on bring to front. That brings it to the frontmost area, as you can see right here. Another thing that you can do is you can go around over here and send it backward right here. So it goes one step back. Or you can go around and send it backward right here, just like this. That brings it to the backmost area, as you can see right here. So let me just go around over here and send it back right here. And once you do that, what happens is that it goes to the backmost area, send to back, and it goes to the backmost area, as you can see this like this. And this is how you can utilize the select and arrange option inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.